So this is how it looks when you first open Adobe Premiere Pro. But you can take this tab and put it right anywhere you want. Let's say right here. This tab I want to close it. For example, this tab I want to close it. I want to close this too. The effects, we can put it here. The marker, I don't need this for now, and I don't need this for now. I like having this whole space for the timeline. So yeah, you can customize your own Premiere Pro layout. You can drag and drop any of those tabs wherever you want. And even you can create your own layout by hitting this window and then workspaces, and then save changes to this workspace, or we can save as new workspace of your own. For example, let's call it my workspace and then hit enter. This is gonna be my workspace. So from here, window, workspaces, my workspace. You can use it.